staged home Mother's Day tea. Mother's Day is in May. It was last weekend. And we have, as mothers and daughters, we have spent Mother's Day with our own family, with our mother and with our own daughter. However, we did not forget the elderly people, the elderly mother in the Chinese community. Therefore, here today, thanks to All Africa Chinese Women's Association and the All Africa Association for Peaceful Reunification of China, who organized this Mother's Tea event so that we can spend some time with the elderly mothers and fathers in the Chinese community who also really need a family visit.
Cherish the young for this virtue. We want to spread this kind of the love and appreciation. I believe that taking care of our elders is not one person's responsibility. It's not the responsibility of one family, of one community, but it's a response for whole society. Also, it's not the responsibility for not just today, tomorrow, or the next few months. It is something we strive for our whole life, for our benefit. It's when our child takes care of us. Thank you very much. Thanks.
And I said, I would like us to go to a community, not our black community, because as a foundation, we do not only represent black communities. We are a foundation for everybody. We are not a black NGO. We don't want to be defined as a black NGO. We represent all the citizens of South Africa. And this home belongs to South Africa. So we represent this home as well. That is why today we decided to visit this home in partnership with APA, in partnership with the Association for Peaceful Reunification of China, which I am, by the way, an honorary chairman of. So that is why today we thought we will partner and come and share this morning with you and show some love to the people that reside here in Poland.
A very sincere and heartfelt thank you to Mrs. Gama Suma, and all the honor guests present today. We are truly grateful and touched by your generous donation. It is wonderful people like you who enable us to provide a warm of caring home for our elderly members of the community. May God bless you for your generosity and care. Thank you.
Thank you.
谢谢大家，谢谢你们。